Weight-based calibration ensures consistent sizing categories in the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. This precision guarantees uniform quality for every date. Reliable results, batch after batch. In the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, optical color sorters scan each date for uniform golden brown tone. The advanced scanners ensure every date meets the highest quality standards. Check this batch carefully. We're looking for any soft ones. Understood? I'll sort them by size as I go. Good? Flag any with skin splits for rejects. Will do. This tray is almost full. In the grove, tarps and catch frames gather ripe Medjool dates. The harvest is collected and sent to the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant for processing, a massive operation ensuring a bountiful supply. Let's check these moisture levels before the cleaning system.
Understood. Ready for the reading.
Reading is good. Let's proceed to the 250,000 LB system.
Pouring now.
Let's check the moisture before we process these. 20.5%. That's within spec. All right, send them through the cleaning system. The washing line inside the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant uses filtered water spray tunnels to remove dust and debris. This process ensures the dates are thoroughly cleaned before further processing. At the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, efficiently sufficiently date date. The continuous process in a key step in large-scale date production. Rejected fruit from the 250,000 LB Medjool date compost. A specialized machine then turns and aerates the compost, speeding up decomposition. This creates valuable soil amendments. In the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, optical color sorters scan each date for uniform golden brown tone. The advanced scanners ensure every date meets the highest quality standards. Check this batch carefully. We're looking for any soft ones. Understood? I'll sort them by size as I go. Good? Flag any with skin splits for rejects. Will do. This tray is almost full. In the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, automated systems precisely regulate moisture, ensuring consistent quality. This maintains the date's premium texture and flavor. Weight-based calibration ensures consistent sizing categories in the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. This precision guarantees uniform quality for every date. Reliable results, batch after batch. Waste sorting stations manage organic byproducts from the 250 automated system pits and stems for efficient reuse. This turns potential waste into valuable resources. In the 250 grove to stabilize the dates. Automated systems precisely regulate moisture, ensuring consistent quality. This maintains the date's premium texture and flavor. At the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, automated pit detects with rainy day dates, ensuring quality. This process maintains high standards for large-scale production. Field teams perform follow-up hypnotic shaking cycles for remaining clusters. for the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. At the 250 detection scanner, we inspect every date. Advanced sensors detect and remove any dates with remaining pits, ensuring quality. This process maintains high standards for large-scale production. At the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, bulk packaging lines handle wholesale volumes with precision. Automated systems and skilled workers ensure efficient processing premium quality dates to markets worldwide. This facility processes 250,000 pounds of Medjool dates, using advanced systems generate unique batch codes for every package, ensuring full product traceability. This technology delivers premium quality and safety to global markets. In the 250,000 LB Medjool plant, modified atmosphere packaging units are key to operate shelf life. These machines inject protective gases to preserve freshness and efficiency at a large scale. Vacuum seal machines preserve freshness at the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. This ensures the premium quality and long shelf life of every date. Efficiency and freshness delivered at scale. At the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, barcode scanner checks the barcode for accuracy. A beep confirms the scan. This ensures quality. Continuous belt inspections maintain alignment inside the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant.
This gauge helps us check for any deviations.
Excellent. Let's keep monitoring. Cold storage units maintain optimal temperature for Medjool dates at the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. This ensures freshness and quality for large-scale processing. £250,000. That's our target for the day.
Got it. Entering it now.
Double check against the batch logs. Confirmed. All synced. Good. Let's keep the pace. Inside the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, energy monitoring panels regulate electricity usage. Load is peaking. Real-time adjustments maintain optimal efficiency. Closing aerial shot reveals the full scale of the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant, completing the journey of modern golden fruit production from Hypnotic shaking harvest to global distribution. We're testing samples from the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. The moisture level is optimal at 22.5%. Data monitoring systems track storage conditions, and the tooth provide real-time updates on temperature, humidity, and air quality. This ensures optimal preservation of the dates. The system maintains quality at every stage. Hold it steady against the vibration. Torque it to spec. That's secure. Check the next one. The 250 at Medjool date plant relies on precision lubrication. Technicians service the main motor, applying synthetic grease. This routine ensures peak performance across the entire facility. At the 250,000 sustainable operation, the system filters and reuses water, reducing waste and supporting eco-friendly production, a key part of sustainable date processing.
All right, time for the safety check. Helmet, vest, gloves, all good?
Yes, sir. All compliant.
Excellent. Let's log it.
Safety checks are complete. Hydraulic pressure is stable, feeding the Medjool date plant. Confirmed. Monitoring the system now. Pressure holding at 1250 flow rate. Pressure is optimal at 1255. Our software coordinates every shipment from our 250,000 pound capacity. Real-time tracking ensures efficient distribution. This system is essential for our high volume operation. Lines ready for cleaning? Let's get this section done. Copy that. Pressure's building now. Spraying now. Watch the splash. Looks clear. Moving to the next section. Final bulk orders are prepared for export from the 200 systems precisely fill and seal each box, ensuring quality for global markets. The orders are now ready for shipment. Let's check the vibration motors on the Hypnotic system. Okay, I'll check the mountings. This bolt is loose, tightening it now. Good, the others look secure. Confirmed, system is stable.
These Medjool date pallets are ready for release.
Agreed. Let's verify and authorize.
Sticker signed, all clear.
Good. Release them.
Weight verification confirms compliance standards at the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant.
All right, time for the safety check. Helmet, vest, gloves, all good? Yes, sir, all compliant. Excellent, let's log it. Welcome to the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. Always use lockout procedures before maintenance. Inspect all equipment and report any issues.
And watch for heavy equipment like this forklift.
Look at this, the Hypnotic system just hit 250,000 pounds. Incredible. What's the yield efficiency? 98.7%. No waste, no damage. This changes everything. The system is logging the final batch ID now. Final batch confirmed, MD 2023. These are from our 250,000 pound Medjool harvest. The probe is applying pressure to test firmness. Firmness is good. This batch meets our standards. Sugar content testing ensures bricks consistency at the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. Here, a refractometer provides a precise bricks reading, verifying the dates meet quality standards. Final visual audits confirm grade labeling accuracy at the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant. This batch is clear, grade A, perfectly labeled. Stringent checks uphold our premium quality standards.
Let's pull the final random sample for the 250,000 LB run.
Agreed. I'll check for uniformity and color.
I'm looking for sugar crystals and pits.
Confirmed. All clear for release.
Belt cleaned and sanitized? Yes, fully sanitized, no residue.
Checking the surface now. Looks clear. Mark it off.
Checklist complete, all clear.
Excellent. Production closed. Export certification documentation is approved for shipments leaving the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant.
The dust control systems look compliant.
We maintain them to the highest standards.
Good. Let's review the monitoring logs.
Of course. The records are right here. This is our schedule for the 250,000 LB Medjool date plant harvest. I'm scheduling harvest cycle 1 for October 15th to 20th. This ensures we meet our production goals. Initiating cold chain validation for dispatch. Core temperature holding at 3.2 degrees Celsius. Validation confirmed, ready for dispatch. Proceeding to palletize.
Seal integrity testing ensures our packaging is durable. We pressurize the chamber to test the seals. Next, a vacuum chamber test for leaks. This confirms durability for our products. Here, we test for microbial safety.
We follow strict protocols.
Now, plating the sample.
This confirms it's contamination-free.
Results are in. It passes. Let's review the harvest stats. We're at 250,000 pounds. Processing volume is up. Efficiency is at 95%. The Hypnotic data shake highlights our precision. Quality metrics are excellent.